Game na! Good afternoon, class. I'm Emma Gonzalez, and before we start my report, so let us pray and let me lead the prayer. Yes, thank you. And then, so after the prayer, so can you ask your classmate if he or she is okay?
No.
Thank you. And then
Fine.
the attendance is checked. We will check by the secretary. So there are five absent in our class. So let us review. So sino may topic natin kahapon, Sandara?
So our topic yesterday is all about neoclassical theory of entrepreneurship.
So thank you. So and I have a little motivation before I start my topic, and that's what's called 4 pigs in 1 word. So first, Sandara.
Operational management. Operational.
Thank you. Correct. Next. Yuan.
Financial accounting.
Thank you. Correct. And my topic is all about operation management for manufacturing and services and accounting and financial information. So, introduction. For operation management for manufacturing and services, the product development process can be complex and it took 16 years for Montgomery and other assets companies to develop the powered jet version, and this involved thousands of cycles. So, operation management for manufacturing and services. So, a company must convert resources like materials, by stepping, pre-pack, withdrawn, pack. So, a company must convert resources for materials, labor, money, information, into goods or services as efficiently as possible. So, like PowerSky, all manufacturing set up to perform the same basic function to transform resources into finished and goods. So, to perform this function in today's business environment, manufacturers must continually strive to improve operational efficiency. Their responsibilities can be grouped as follows. So, first is production planning. You want this week.
Production planning. During production planning, managers determine how good will be produced, where production will take place, and how manufacturing facilities will be laid out.
So, sabi diyan, production planning. During production planning, managers make crucial decisions about the entire manufacturing process. This involves determining the methods of production, selecting appropriate location for production facilities, and organizing the layout of this. So, like for example, let's consider a company that manufacture. So like pag nag-ano ka ng cellphone, yung mga product, yung mga ng cellphone is mini-monitor nila yung mga production planning managers decides whether they use assembly like production or cost of manufacturing for the vehicles. Kung bago nila i-process gano'n is mini-monitor.
Para
i-organize. Production control.
Once the production process is underway, managers must continually schedule and monitor the activities that make up that process.
So, sa production control is, sabi dyan is, yung manager daw is, monitor na yung mga activities na nangyayari sa plant at gano'n, yung pinagagawa ng mga cellphone, gano'n. Mini-monitor ng manager yun kung tama ba yung mga pagkakagawa. And then the quality control. And then
operations managers directly involved in efforts to ensure that goods are produced according to specifications and that quality standards are maintained.
So, sa quality control is the process of ensuring the product meets certain standard and specification in the context of the operation manager role involves implementing procedure and so sa quality control is ina-implement nila dyan yung mga procedures ng mga gagawin nila ng mga product na doon. So, para the operation manager board oversees quality control. So, ina-inspect nila yung mga cellphone or mga cellphone testing, ginag-testing nila kung
Maganda ba yung quality?
Kung maganda ba yung quality or ano.
Maganda
Next
ba?
is introduction. For accounting and financial information, Apple is the most valuable company in the world. This statement is based on market value, which is August 2022 was 1.9 trillion, although markets can fluctuate. Sometimes maybe if you are reading this chapter for the math later, So, accounting and financial information adopted by Stephen Skripal with Ron Fox. So, accounting, can you please review?
Accounting is often called the language of business because it communicates so much of the information that owners, managers, and investors need to evaluate a company financial performance.
So, accounting is often referred as the language of business because it provides a structured way to communicate the financial health and performance of a company, just like how language helps convey thoughts and ideas. Accounting helps convey financial information. So, sa accounting is, for example, financial statement, like the income statement, o sila yung nag-aayos ng mga balance sheet, gano'n, financial statement ng bawat ng mga product. And next is management accountant.
Management accountants provide information and analysis to decision makers inside the organization in order to help them run it.
So management accountant are professionals who focus on providing essential financial information and analysis to decision makers within the organization. The play are crucial role in helping managers make informed decisions to efficiently run business. And next is the financial accountant. You want?
Furnish information to individual and groups both inside and outside the organization in order to help them assess their financial performance.
So, sa financial accountant is, providing financial information to both internal and external stakeholders to evaluate the financial performance of an organization. Next is management accounting.
Management accounting also known as managerial accounting plays a big role in helping managers carry out their responsibilities because the information that it provides is intended for use by people who perform a wide variety of jobs, and the format for reporting information is flexible.
So, management accounting or managerial accounting aids managers in fulfilling their duties by providing flexible information tailored to diverse in either profit nor loss. And then the ratio analysis is a method used to evaluate a company's financial health and performance by examining relationship between different and financial variables. And then categories of ratios include profitability ratios, liquidity ratios, debt ratios, and efficiency. So sabi dyan is, for instance, profitability ratios like return equity measures company ability to generate profit from stakeholders or equity. And then, so let us check your understanding. So, what have you learned about operation management for manufacturing and services? So, yes, thank you. So, sabi dyan is, operation management plays a crucial role in both manufacturing and services. Thus, it involves the effective planning, organizing, and controlling of resources to ensure efficient production and delivery of goods and services. Key concepts in operation management include forecasting, demand, managing operation, scheduling, inventory control, and reducing for quality. So, for accounting naman, accounting and financial information are essential components of business management. They provide valuable insight into the financial health and performance of an organization. The study of accounting involves recording, summarizing, analyzing financial transactions to produce financial statements. So, there are can you please bring one for sheet of paper? Class?
Okay, ma'am.
So, can you please answer this question?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. So, tomorrow, I will give the score who got the highest of this assessment. So, before you go, I have a take-home assignment. Can you please take down notes?
Yes, ma'am.
So, that's write an essay reflecting corporation management and manufacturing as an entrepreneur one day. And number 2 is write an essay reflecting accounting and financial information as entrepreneur one day, and which how the lesson will help you in entrepreneurship. Okay, so your take home quiz will be passed tomorrow. So that's all.